Former Minister of Education and MP for Caroni East, Dr. Gopeesingh, had several questions for the Minister of Education during today's Standing Finance Committee. He questioned many of the reductions in the 2017 budget allocation. In 2017, there was an $800,000 allocation for substitute teachers. In 2018, only $300,000 has been allocated. Caroni East MP Dr. Gopeesingh wanted to know whether the reduction was because the ministry didn't see the need for hiring substitutes when needed.
That initiative has not been abandoned. It is simply that we are in the process of employing as many trained and qualified teachers as possible. That will not give rise to a large number of substitute teachers.
In some cases, there were increases in allocations, like that to private special schools from $12 million to $25 million.
Well, one new school was added, and that school resides in Rio Claro. So that would have incurred additional expenses. In addition to that, when our school supervisors and other officers of the Ministry of Education did their audit, it was revealed that there are some outstanding sums that we had to pay, and this is why we had to increase the allocation.
That's a one.
As it relates to the school feeding program, Dr. Gopeesingh wanted to know why there was a $43 million reduction. He questioned whether less meals would be provided to students.
I can give you the assurance, and indeed the national community, that there will be no reduction in the provision of breakfast meals and lunches to be served.
Minister Garcia said the allocation for 2017 catered for outstanding debts.
As with everything else, we have received some budgetary cuts. However, we have been assured by the National Schools Dietary Services Limited that everything is going to be put in place so that our children, those who are in need, will not be disadvantaged. We are determined not to reduce the quantum of meals that will be served.
There are still some outstanding monies owed to the caterers. The last time they received funds was in May 2017. He assured that the balance will be paid. Minister of Education Anthony Garcia was also questioned about the reduction in skills training programs like MUST when he compared the 2016 figures. But Minister Garcia said there was no reduction to the program.
At the revised estimates for 2017, and we compare it with the estimates of 2018, what we see in fact is an increase. We're not seeing a reduction.
Small amount, but it is
but we're seeing an increase.
It's drastic in comparison to 2016.
We are not comparing 2016.
Well, the chairman indicated that, but I wanted to draw to your attention that that's a significant area that you, as a government and a Ministry of Education, should be paying much more attention and having much more resources in those areas.
Kuva South MP Rudranath Indar Singh also queried the allocation to YTEP.
The Board of Management of YTEP has indicated that they are going to ensure that we get value for money in what is being done in those centers. I have first-hand information where that is concerned, where those YTEP centers are concerned, and of course there are areas where we can ensure that efficiency would be the hallmark of its operations.
The Trinidad and Tobago Hospitality and Tourism Institute also had some reductions. In 2017, they received $18.6 million. For 2018, they received only $6 million. Minister Garcia was asked if there was a reduction in students.
That is an area where we are seeking the advice and input of our Attorney General. There are some problems associated with the TTHIT, and we are trying to have that, moving ahead to have that resolved.
Okay.